In this lesson, I will talk about how to prepare the file for the modeling. I will talk about how to define the element. Let's back again to our model. We start in previous lesson. We learn how to define the material. Now I will start how to define the element. I will start with how to define slab property. Define slab property. Add a new property. I will talk about now one type of slab, then every type I will want to talk about it, I would change this type. Now I will talk about normal slab, flat slab or solid slab. I will rename is F20 for example. The concrete C40, the color any color, no different. Then here it's a slab, how much? It's 200 millimeter. It's okay. It's thick slab? No, it's not thick slab. Thick slab only for foundation, or if you have very thick slab like half meter or like 0.7 0.9 meter you can use, but up to 0.3 0.4 it's not thick slab. Then okay, you can add another, for example flat slab, another thickness 25, this 250, same, not thick. Okay, then okay, that's it. Then define beam property. I will add now some beam, 2 beam for example. Then after that if I need more I can add new beam. I rename beam 30 centimeter by 70. I will use now it's 300 this top and bottom, then 700. If you change this, make it 400 for example, you seen this is bottom is 400 millimeter and this 300, but I will make it rectangular. It's 300 by 300 top and bottom, and by height 700. How much? The cover is 30 millimeter, the clear cover, or this not clear cover, should be the center of bar. It's 30 plus the half of bar diameter should be around 50. Then 50. He ask you here 3 question or 3 option. Flank, if it's T, flank dimension from analyze, or flank dimension automatic from slab property, or flank dimension from user. You can make it flank, for example this if you make it T, but I will use it for from analyze. This is always what you choose. He asks you about rebar material, it's 460. Ask you about rebar material for shear, 420. Then okay, I will add not new now, more easy. If you make add copy of a property, I will make beam for example 20 by 20 centimeter by 60. Be careful about the unit here. 200 600. How much? This same, all, no change. Then okay, now I will talk about define reinforcement bar. It's coming ready. You can change the system here, but I use this system millimeter. I use 6 8 10. This it's coming ready by save. Then okay, no change. Define now column properties. Add new columns. It's C for example. I will make rectangular 40 by 40. I will learn you after that how to add another way to add the column. The concrete C40. Anyway, no big difference here in the concrete of column, because type of concrete of column material, because we don't design the column here, only we design the slab and foundation. But the column, its effect of deflection a little. Then here, what the type of column? Let's say rectangle. It's 400 by 400. He asks you about red zone. Yes, add red zone. He mean this top of column, it's red zone. Yes, it's red zone. If you want to add drop or no, I will add 2 columns, one with drop, one without. Next, for example without, then okay. Another column, add copy, it's more easy. I will add same dimension with the drop. How much the drop? I will learn you after that what's the drop. I will show you some picture, some photo of what the drop. I will make it 2000 millimeter by 2000 millimeter, 2 meter by 2 meter. He asks you what's the slab property of the drop. We should define from here. This you can click, then he opened the slab property. We can add the new property. This is drop. I will rename D40 for example. How much? It's a drop. It's 400. then okay, not thick again, okay, then I will choose this, okay, here it's D40, then okay, I will rename. See, there's no name. I will change the name to know what's this column. Modify from C, I will rename it's 40 by 40. I will add D2. That means there's drop 2 meter by 2 meter, 2 by 2. Then okay. Now we have 2 columns. Okay, you can add any column if you want. I now add 2 columns. Then after that I will add more columns. Type. Okay. Now from define I will add wall property, shear wall. Add a new property, it's very easy. W, I will make 2 thickness because now the length as draw, but the thickness here. W 25, that means 25 centimeter, 250 millimeter. In cloud red zone, yes. Wall take out of a plane moment, that means he take moment from 2 direction, X and Y, yes. The material is C40, it's okay. Then I will add copy, that means take same property and change only the name to, for example, 300, then here 300, it's okay. Now we define material, previous lesson, and here slab, in this lesson slab, beam, reinforcement, columns, wall. Thank you.